to HANTENCNC channel. Over the past year, we have been optimizing our products based on customer feedback and our own tests. After continued efforts, we have finally completed it. And today, I will introduce our brand new laser cleaning system to you. Firstly, there are no major changes in the appearance of the cleaning head. The new one removes the LED digital tube that shows the focal length number, because this part may fail easily. Now, we integrate the focal length display function into the control screen on the cleaning head. The numbers are bigger and much easier to see. Secondly, we have upgraded the control software. The difference from the old software are as follows. The scanning modes have increased from 9 to 13. New options include the triangle, rotating circle, routine line, and linear rotation. Different scanning modes adapt to more complex cleaning tasks and improve cleaning flexibility and precision. For a laser cleaning machine, scanning speed is a key parameter. After optimization, the maximum scanning speed can be set to 40,000 mm per second. It's 30% faster than the old model, so cleaning efficiency is higher. We have added a screen lock function to the new control software. Press the lock button, the screen will lock right away. All touch operations will be disabled. It prevents accidental touches, wrong parameters settings, and machine errors, keeping your work safe and steady. To ensure operation safety, we have added a laser timed shutdown function. The closing time can be set freely, such as 30 seconds. Once the laser working time reaches the limit, the system will stop the laser. It helps avoid safety risks from long-time operation. We know many customers use our laser cleaning machine for cleaning service and also rent them out. Therefore, we have added a usage time reset function. For example, if the machine runs for 5 hours with the first user, you can reset the timer before renting it to the next customer. It restarts the time counting and makes management much easier. That's all for this update. Every upgrade comes from the feedback of our loyal users. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave a message below this video.
Laser-driven, reshape your